Good morning class. Today we'll do some examples from page number 67. In this you can see that as we have done the first question, according to the ax plus by is equals plus c equals to 0. These are the equation for the linear equations in two variables, because these are two variables in this. Now write each of the following as equation in two variables. They have given us only the one variable and we have to make an equation with the two variables. So how you will make it? Like this is given you x is equals to minus 5. So 1x plus 0y is equals to minus 5. Why we are writing this? Because we know that there is x but not y variable, so we have to put it by ourselves and we will keep it as 0. 0 point y is equals to, and because this is on the other side negative, it will comes here in the positive sign, so this becomes positive in this. Now here is the second question. It's given you the y and the number but not given the x variable, so we'll put the x now in the x variable. So here it is question 0 on the place of x, and then y is 1 here, so y1, and this is here positive, so when we will send it on the other side, so this will become negative. As I have explained you this two question, you have to do other two three third and fourth question in the practice copy. Then this is the third question is here. The cost of a table is 5 more than thrice of a chair. Now you have to understand the statement of this. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. We have to represent this statement in the equation. Let the cost of chair be x, means only the cost of chair will be x, and that of a table of y. Now cost of chair is x and cost of table is y. We are just supposing it. Then according to the statement we get that the cost of a table is 5 more than thrice of a chair. So here 3x. Why we are writing this 3x in this? Because the chair is given as the x and the thrice of the chair is 3x, plus it's given 5 more than that, so this whatever the number will become of the chair, we will plus them with the 5. So here it is the equation we have make, and you can make this equation because this is positive here, so it will goes there, it will become negative. 3x minus, no, just keep it here, and this will become there, so this will be minus y plus 5 equals to 0. Like this you can do the equation. So you have to understand how to make the statements in the equations. Now this is the fourth question. In certain times 3 men can do as much work as 5 boys do. Write the linear equation in two variables. Same, this question is with this, you have to make the statement of this. So you have to do question number example 2, 3 and 4 from page number 67 in practice copy. Thank you.